What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with today's second video. And in today's second video, we're going to take a look at Stellar Lumens and see what it's doing on the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour time frame. I'm also going to explain to you guys why you guys should not be panic selling your crypto, especially your altcoins. I'm seeing a lot of comments in the comment section below, telling me, oh, I'm going to sell my altcoins now and try to buy the dip. Guys, you guys are not going to time the bottom. I just want to let you know that up front in this video. I'm seeing way too much FUD out there, and it's honestly astounding because we knew this was coming. We knew we were going to get a big pullback on Bitcoin and altcoins. So this is exactly par for the course and exactly what the big market movers want you to think. So guys, if you guys are new to the channel and you guys like today's content, make sure you guys smack that subscribe button down below. I'm going to know if you guys press the subscribe button. I'm going to know. Just kidding, guys. But as we jump right on into the 4-hour chart here of Stellar Lumens, we are just in this symmetrical triangle. Now, the longer we consolidate sideways, we're seeing Stellar Lumens make, bigger and bigger symmetrical triangles. It almost keeps like going sideways out of a symmetrical triangle and then making a bigger one, right? But this is the one I think we're in, right? This one makes the most sense of the one I've talked about. So you guys can see we've wicked up to this top resistance line 4 times. And in the bottom, we've gotten support on this, right, 2 times. So I would like to see one more touch on the bottom to confirm the bottom support. If you guys know, I like to see 3 touches to confirm it as a trend line. But as of now, this looks like it makes perfect sense. So what are we doing? Well, we have the 200 4-hour EMA slowly coming up here. And you guys can see we held it as support here. And we also have this major support green line that we're going to talk about in our next chart here. But I wanted to first touch on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, I mean, it is likely. Right now, it looks like we're probably going to come back down and retest this bottom trend line again. If we can hold that as support, I would like that because I also confirm the trend line as an actual trend line, right? And kind of build up a bigger support base. Now, what I think is going to happen on the 4-hour, I think we're going to, slowly come back down here. We're going to get another wick, right? I think this 4-hour EMA is going to be coming up like this. We're going to get a wick down, but our 4-hour close is going to close back up above here. You guys can see the massive buy pressure that's coming in at the bottom here. You guys can see these market movers are buying up all these weak hands selling these coins. And this is exactly why I'm telling you guys not to panic sell. You guys can see how much bigger the wicks are in the bottom than the top, which means there's way more buy pressure. These coins people are panic selling. The institutions are buying right up, right? People are panic selling. The big institutional, not even institutional investors, but the big players are buying up the supply quickly, right? So don't be one of these guys that sells down here, right? Be one of the guys that, if you are a trader, be a guy that sells up here, right? So that's the 4-hour, guys. I think we're going to get a wick down here, but then we're going to close right back up here and then come up and retest the triangle at some point over the next week or two. But as we jump on into our daily chart here, this is what I'm most excited about. So we do have some hidden bullish divergence here. You guys can see on the RSI, we're getting a lower lows on the RSI, but we're getting higher highs in price action. That's exactly what I want to see, and it does give us a nice boost to the upside. Now, we already did get a nice boost to the upside, but I mean, this is on the daily chart, so this should continue up further here over the next couple days. So it is possible we can still come back a little bit, right, and then get a move up to the upside and still validate this hidden bullish divergence on the daily to be true, right? It doesn't mean we have to just go straight up from here, but that is what I like to see. We also have the 200-day moving average, which right now is all the way up to 14 cents. So this is slowly moving up now, and it is getting to our consolidation period of here, which is good to see. If we were to take a dip, that means we should have a lot of support with all this price action and our 200-day moving average if we were to break down here. But anyways, that's the daily chart, guys. Just keep in mind that this doesn't have to play out right away. We don't have to just skyrocket up here. It could go sideways here, and the RSI could still go sideways, and it would still validate this. So that is the daily chart, guys. Now, I'm going to show you guys the weekly chart, and this is what I want to basically spend the video on here because I'm seeing a lot of FUD, right? So I'm basically going to use Stellar Lumens as an example of why we shouldn't be afraid. Now, let's start from the beginning of the bull market. Why are we panicking, right? You guys can see, I'm going to make one more trend line here to even more prove my point, right? All we've been doing is stair-stepping up, creating new old resistance as new support. And every time we get close to the bottom, that's when we see everyone in the comment section below saying, oh, thanks for your call on Stellar Lumens. Oh, Stellar Lumens didn't pump like you said. You got, and these are from people that are watching my videos a week after I make them, right? When I make a video, it's usually telling you some short-term analysis, and it's usually telling you some long-term analysis. We might see short-term pullbacks when I say that everything looks bullish. Doesn't mean that we're not going to pump later on. I've been making bullish videos all throughout this time period, and guess what? Our trend has been bullish. So, I mean, it is what it is, guys. You can't please everyone. But as we jump into my point here, you guys can see from our start of our bull market, we pumped up, came right, hit on our old resistance here, right, and then we came back down and retested our old resistance, right, and support as new support, and then we pumped up again. And what did we do, guys? After we did that, right, and this is where it really starts. We get a massive green candle up to the upside, right? Hit our resistance, everyone, and then we dump. Down here, everyone's panicking. Oh, sell lumens to zero. Oh, this, all that. We hold it as support, our old resistance, right? Our old resistance as new support. And then what did we do, guys? We pump when everyone's fudding, right? And then what did we do again? We dump again. Everyone down here. Oh, Stellar Lumens is dead. Oh, nice call on Stellar Lumens. What did we do, guys? Just another resistance and support flip. Our old resistance here, we turn it as new support. And then we get another pump up to the upside. And then what did we do again, guys? We turned our old resistance, which was right here. And then we got another pump up, right? And then where are we right now? Everyone panicking. Oh, Stellar Lumens is dead. I'm getting comments. Oh, Stellar Lumens this, Stellar Lumens that, right? And if history were to repeat itself, we probably go sideways or down for the next 2 or 3 weeks. And then we get another bump to the upside. Everyone's, oh, Stellar Lumens is the best. Oh, Stellar Lumens is the best. And then we probably hit this resistance. We come back down. Everyone's saying, oh, Stellar Lumens is dead. Stellar Lumens is that. And then the cycle is just repeating, guys. It's you want to buy when the people are greedy, right? And you want to sell when the people are you want to buy when people are fearful, and you want to sell when people are greedy. As you guys can see here, the best times to buy would have been right here when everyone was panicking, right here when everyone's panicking, and right now when everyone's panicking, right? Because that supersedes, from this move, 80% move to the upside. This one, everyone's panicking. 172% move to the upside. This moved when everyone's panicking, 91% to the upside. And what I think is going to happen next when we come back, when we go from this to our next resistance, probably 105% move. So guys, this is just a quick example. You can look at this for every single altcoin. Just a quick example of why you guys should not be panicking, and you guys should be buying when everyone is fearful and selling when everyone is greedy. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just hope you guys took something out of this video. And if you did, and you guys are new to the channel, throw a subscribe, right? Smack that subscribe button down below. It always helps out, and it gives me motivation to make these videos every single day for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy today's content and come back for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's 2 videos. I hope you have a great rest of your Saturday and enjoy the nice weather that is outside. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's videos.